I tell you, still on the street channels of Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy, and if they watch us on channel 195. Start time. Make it not touch you that. The question when I carry enter street today now. No say federal government don't talk and say make everybody. If you not get prepaid meter, you not get any right, or NEPA not get any right, or PHC not get any right to go ask anybody for their bill. So as an individual, a person when they stay for this country, you need to get your prepaid meter. And if you don't get your prepaid meter, you need to use indirectly. Tell us more they use light free. The prepaid meter they no with free light. But if you not get prepaid meter, but they use light free, still on the matter. I don't say so many people they happy now. I say yeah, they want use light free now. But so many times, so many questions they come into my mind. How they tell they do the estimated bill? You know, just come check bill. You just give person bill. Now better than PHC and they do. So many issues are going around NEPA, formerly as we call it, PHC and Power Holding Company in Nigeria. So many issues they go on, so many questions. They will just come, then they rip off. Somebody go estimated bill. You when say yes, you ain't just get only one light. That's when they use one bulb for inside house. See the kind of bill when they give her. I don't go judge them. Still on the matter on street towns on Wazobia TV. That's why I make I enter street today. Make I talk to some people when they make things they happen for the country. As I talk like that, one Ogbenge man just waka come. Bros, how are you doing now?
Yeah, good afternoon.
This one on Wazobia TV. I don't need too much English. Now just pidgin English. You don't hear the recently say federal government say if you not get prepaid meter, you are free to use free light. But you must get prepaid meter.
I never hear them.
Never hear them. But definitely good. That prepaid meter, what you need to talk about the prepaid meter? Which you should get to talk about PHC and or NEPA?
Well, to me, their services need to improve, and then the prepaid meter did better because now everything you use, you go pay for. You know, so
because the way that they bring
estimated bill, you know, they affect people so many times. Some people they owe up to 200,000 sometimes. You know, they not go fee pay. They will come cut their life for so many years. You know, so
did it don't affect you at all?
It don't affect me. Yes.
Several times I've been. Who should ride this day?
Go on estate,
Go on estate, yeah. Then they give you estimated bill.
Estimated bill, yeah.
Up to now for that big estate.
Of course.
All right, still on the matter on straight chance of Wazobia TV. Thank you very much, bros. It's too much. All right, back it there. All right, still on the matter on straight chance of Wazobia TV. Bro, how far come? Yeah, now you know, now so most people they see, they're going to run, you know that kind of thing. Some people they see a camera. How far are you doing? No problem. Okay, they use prepaid meter from Wazobia TV. They use prepaid meter for NEPA.
I don't use them.
You know they use them?
Yes.
You know, see as you know they use them, so federal government don't talk and say yes. If you don't get prepaid meter, you are free to use life free. That will not be say most people no go buy the prepaid meter, but you must get your prepaid meter.
Are you preaching to me about it?
Yeah, I dey ask you now.
I don't tell you my mind now.
You don't get them?
Yes, I don't.
But how you take the pay your NEPA bill?
I'm a tenant. My landlord did pay.
Now your landlord they pay. They pay to your landlord.
Yes.
Inside the compound, how until you get.
Then they share them.
Then they share them. Okay, see they stay compound where they share light.
Yes.
Where they share light. Okay, you go see they say that can compound. You know good now.
Why?
Okay, they share them. Definitely, they share them. You go get one corner of the wall where they say they put meter.
Yes.
NEPA they carry the meter.
They go come.
NEPA see the carry the meter.
Once they call and they bring the meter now, we go share the money.
They bring the bill.
So we go share the money, then they go and bring the money.
But all those kind bill, all those kind meter no dey work again now. How you tell them? How they tell they give now? An estimated bill they give you.
Whatever the case may be, they are bringing bill.
They are bringing
and
bill.
I'm not.
Then
They are
you
working.
Either
We are paying for their own. We are paying for their own job.
Whatever
Meanwhile, where I'm working, they are paying for me as my own token.
Okay.
So
for where you dey work now, they give you crazy salary.
Crazy salary.
Yeah.
As I know crazy for work, why they go give me?
All right, still on the matter on straight times of Wazobia TV. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Now Wazobia TV, please.
Yeah,
bros, you hear about the parole about what did happen about prepaid meter?
Prepaid meter. Well, I'm not using it for now. I'm not using it for now.
You speak pidgin for me, I think.
Yeah, I'm not.
You know the user.
I know the use them now. But the only problem I'm having from where I stay, I never see for the past 3 years I've been staying there. I never see NEPA bill for my life. They only come to tell me, landlady only come to tell me, your NEPA bill is social amount, and I will pay without argument. So I don't just know actually what is happening with NEPA. And moreover, we don't see live. But when it is ending of the month, you will see 3 days live. After then, we pay. After payment, we won't see light again.
Don't see light again.
Yes, so that's what we are going through. I don't know what is happening.
I want to add the question, what they on board now? They say recently that they passed the bill, say make most people make you get your prepaid meter. But if you not get prepaid meter, NEPA not get right, or PHCN from any officials not get any right
to
come and give the bill. Yes.
I'm just hearing now for the first time. Yeah. So which means I should not pay again.
Yeah, if you get it, you hold your right. Say yes, where they must pay that premium, and that makes them go make them seriously go make them give out the prepaid meter because I found out say the prepaid meter are free.
Okay.
Not be free. Now free supposed to be before, but I don't know whether that one not today sure whether they go buy and one or not. But when it come one time, they say now free.
And they should let us know whether it is free or buying.
Yes. There's not to buy. Most people need to get out so that they know they give you estimated bill.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Still on the matter on Street Times of Wazobia TV.
I start with one boogie my if you see the man belly. No be yo. All right, still on the matter. Back it there. Okay, good afternoon, sir. All right, you go listen. When you listen, go do what they do. All right, Oga, what you did there, say? You don't hear about the prepaid meter recently. What did they talk about prepaid meter?
Yes, now I use prepaid meter now.
You did use prepaid meter in your house?
Yeah.
That's good. This one I one example of person who say they use prepaid meter. How you feel the payment?
It's okay.
You don't like it?
Better.
Preferable than the meter, normal meter that it is.
400% better.
100% better.
Yeah.
Still on the matter, still another quick there. Most of you now when they hear me for there, go and get your prepaid meter straight down. Not beside they do advert for them. Yeah. But that is supposed to be free, Abi.
The prepaid meter? Well, we pay some money to install. I don't know if it is free or not.
Well, you pay some money to install?
Yes.
But not that you pay higher amount? Like how much you pay that time?
Well, that was around 3-4 years ago. I can't exactly say that, but I know it was low. I don't know how much. Yes. That range. Yes.
But that thing, from which I know, that is supposed to be free before. Not be so.
They never told us that.
All right, I'm still on the matter on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. Street Yan. Back it there. No prepare meter. NEPA not get right to collect bill for your hand. Still on the matter. Back it there. Now the latest one they throw in now. If you, they come. All right, still on the matter. I believe say this auntie go get idea about the prepare meter thing and all that. Hey, do. Now Baba Blue the blue now. Hey, do. That woman say no fit talk. Say because like say if she know the belly they one kind, I know that kind of thing. All right, this one on Wazobia TV. I deal with one mama here where they say yes, he say why use police carry me. And I want to talk to them before his police carry me now. Mama, they use prepaid meter for us. They use that. Where they use that? What should they use for NEPA? They just go give you bill, you pay.
Yes.
Estimated bill. Now they give crazy bill. All right, still on the matter. Becky, my guy, have fun. Oh boy, yeah. I like this your black up and down. Where you they go now?
I go Island.
Island, Abi. Where you they say they use prepaid meter?
Not they plan for them now, but they never use them.
They don't install them, but they never start.
They never start, yeah.
Them say they pay crazy bill now.
No, that's based on the condition of the landlord and everything. They tie to the.
So this one another information I don't get to. So now most landlords now they pay NEPA bill now they'll collect money from tenants pay. Ha! Nothing will not go happen for this country. Dubious thing they happen for this. Dubiously, save journey. Enter well. Still on the matter on Street Times of Wazobia TV. People never really give me this normal clue of what I want. But I say this woman get idea. So when they like, Madam, how far are you there?
I'm fine.
Wazobia TV.
Okay.
All right, now pidgin English go talk. You don't use prepaid meter?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you don't enjoy them, Abi?
Yes, sir. Very
How long you don't use that now?
2 years ago now.
2 years ago?
Yes, sir.
And no NEPA they come, they disturb
No.
you?
Very, very okay.
But you hear what they talk now recently say, if you know, if you not get prepaid meter, if NEPA come, they not get rights to drag you to cut your lights.
Not at all, at all. No. The only thing I pray that the Lord will help our president nowadays.
So you enjoy life.
Yes.
Cereal.
Agbado. Yes.
When I village, you still.
No.
All right, still on the matter on Straight Time. Thank you very much. You know, people with a different idea, different opinion, this and that. You know that kind of thing. Madam, Alpha.
I'm okay.
Prepare meter I use for your house.
Yes.
Okay, now prepare meter.
Robo.
Which one be robo?
Where is the question? Now so now.
Back to sender. Baba, I get you.
I get you.
I get you. Take it there. All right, still on the matter on Wazobia TV. Still on the Straight Times on Wazobia TV. Okay, Alpha. Yeah, I know. I need to, before I wrap up, I need to meet somebody. Yeah, I didn't come. Bro, Alpha. Well done. You don't use a prepaid meter for us. But you know what? I tell you, how NEPA they give you pay now?
Anything they bring.
Anything they bring you pay. What is it the right thing? Not be the right thing. So, but you know, say now, they don't put, you hear about the law when they put now recently. So if you don't get prepaid meter, if NEPA come into you, don't need to pay your bill.
I've not heard about it.
So you need to get your prepaid meter. You understand? But still on the matter, this information now, like say just enter town, just enter. Most people, you know, say most Nigeria, they tired to read. All they know now about business. Okay, no be so. When you read last,
They are business.
yeah? When you read last,
I don't know.
you don't know. You're not gonna know, but okay, when you collect money last.
I don't know.
All right, still on the matter, Straight Times on Wazobia TV. All right, y'all. What you do there, say, as you do like this, if you get your prepaid meter for us, good for you. If you not get, my brother, try get your own. But I don't really know whether not free or you must pay to get the prepaid meter. That's not the normal thing. But if what if federal government tries to that, if you not get prepaid meter and they bring bill for you, they not get right to give you bill when there's no prepaid meter. So indirectly, the federal government tell NEPA people and PACN, make them work hard. Make them try hard. Make them try distribute the prepaid meter to everybody, individuals for Nigeria. They need to go on prepaid meter. That one will bring low cost and crazy bill. You will avoid crazy bill for Nigeria. Still on the matter on Straight Times on Wazobia TV. Quick it there. My name is MC Shaggy, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Prepaid meter, no bill. Prepaid meter, no bill. No bill.
Now, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.